If you want to cancel a transaction on your Remitly account that are in progress right now, then you can do it by following these steps. So watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important steps. You must note that you need to cancel the transaction which is in progress. You must need to cancel this transaction before your recipient got the money in their account. To cancel your transfer in the Remitly app, first open the Remitly app and sign in to your Remitly account. Then from the list on your home screen, choose the transfer you'd like to cancel. Then scroll to the bottom of the transfer details and select cancel transfer. Then choose yes, cancel to confirm. Select a reason to your cancellation, then choose submit. That's how you can cancel your transfer in Remitly application. Now let's see how we can cancel our transfer on Remitly website. First, you have to sign into your profile, then select transfer history from the top menu. Here, as you can see, the transfer history, just simply click on it and choose the transaction you like to cancel. Just simply click on it and you can usually find the in progress transaction in the all transfers window or in the in progress windows. In these both windows you will find the hold transaction or in progress transactions. So select view receipts and then you have to go to the bottom of the screen and select cancel your transfer. Choose cancel transfer, select a reason for your cancellation, then choose submit. That's how you can easily cancel your Remitly transactions in progress in your account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.